Hi, this is Kerry Artek with Wicked Stocks bringing you the Daily Tesla Report for Thursday, September 15th, 2022. The Daily Tesla Report continues through September. In October, we will shift to another high volume, highly day tradable stock, probably something out of the top 10 of the NASDAQ 100. And so we'll continue this through the month. Keep in mind, wickedstocks.com also provides premium analysis, very similar 5 to 10 minute video format, daily SPY, daily triple Q, weekly S&P, weekly NASDAQ, weekly TLT, the Treasury, also 2 individual stock picks every week. We've got another one coming out tomorrow, so you may check that out. Otherwise, let's get on with the Daily Tesla Report for Thursday, September 15th. Just a quick reminder that last week we tested longer-term channel support, now at 276.93, and above which the 336.46 descending channel top, longer term in scope, remains an objective that we're expecting by the end of October. And in fact, we're back more into the 2 to 3 week time horizon following Wednesday's rally. We had, as you recall, take a quick look here. We might be able to go into this. Yet 298.35 is a descending channel top, and that was a 2 to 3 week target following the test last week of the 276.93 channel bottom. We closed back below it with that, with the sell-off, the CPI sell-off, we'll call it, but we sprung right back yesterday, Wednesday, back above it. So I'm showing, if you can see here in the support resistance, 298.35 is the start of a narrow range down to 297.39. That is the high of Tuesday's low. It is an important day. And we close the gap. So I think that this roughly 1 point range can absorb selling through next week. And in fact, above which 336.46 is now anticipated over the next 2 to 3 weeks. On the way up, we have minor resistance levels up to 310.67. 310.67 is a long-term 5/8 Fibonacci level, AB, on this chart, the high from last November against the recent May low. It actually performed pretty well in late July, early August, in containing a series of daily highs. We never did close above it, so I'm still giving it the benefit of the doubt. 310.67 in reach today, above 298.35, able to contain session strength. If we push through 310.67, you can see 314.66 is our high from August. I think we could top out there on an intraday basis, but if we get another day today like we had yesterday, and it may well occur following yesterday's buy signal, we could reach 318.44 on an intraday basis. That is a rising, and I'll show you right now, actually, a rising, steeply rising channel top. I'm not going to call this session containment. Well, let's put it this way. It may well contain daily buying pressures, probably would contain daily buying pressures, but it's rising at such a steep rate, and the fact that we're in the midst of a buy signal, and if we close above 310.67, this 5/8, if we close above it today, we could have a nice accelerated rally by the end of next week. In fact, that's what I would expect. If we close today above 310.67, by the end of next week, we should reach this 336.46 targeted channel top, targeted over the 1 to 2 month time horizon above 276.93, the 336.46 formation able to contain buying through October and quite possibly really through the rest of the year. We could fall off from here through the rest of the year. Let's talk downside today, that if we do, let's find it, break or open below 297.39, 290.91 is in reach today. 290.91 is a short-term channel bottom that is just several days old. I'm going to give this the benefit of the doubt in terms of being able to contain daily selling pressures. But if we do close back below 297.39, once again is this level. If we close back below 297.39, I do think over the next 3 to 5 days, we can fall to 276.93 once again, this longer-term channel bottom. And while I'm talking about that, let me just mention that if we close today below 290.91, we should tomorrow test 276.93 with that kind of volatility. This descending trend line today at 281.43 is converging tomorrow with 276.93, so I thought I would keep it there. It becomes, I'm going to say, a one-day target, tomorrow's objective, if we close today below 290.91. But we're nowhere near to that right now. I'll just reemphasize that we are bullish through next week and into early October above the 297.39 to 98.35 area. 310.67 is in reach today where we can place a daily high. Pushing through 310.67, expect 318.44 and closing above 310.67, which is the Fibonacci level that I can show again right here. If we close above 310.67, we should by the end of next week reach that targeted 336.46 longer term channel top. I think that pretty much rounds it out for Thursday's Daily Tesla Report.